Welcome back. CM Digambar Kamath expressed need to increase percentage of contribution by mining companies towards the local villagers. He said that villagers should not feel the pinch of mining activities. He was speaking at the release of a study, Contribution of Goan Iron Ore Mining Industry.
I have seen some of the schemes, but still I think you can increase your contribution through the mineral foundation for the benefit of the villages in which mining takes place. People in these areas, they should not feel that in our area mining is taking place and we are not getting any benefit out of it. And probably it is with this intention that now Centre is bringing some drastic changes in the MMRD Act, which is likely to be probably introduced in the next budget session.
Goa Mineral Ore Exporters Association held the release of a study of contribution of Goan iron ore mining industry by the National Council for Applied Economic Research. Chairman of the Mineral Foundation P.K. Mukherjee, President of Mineral Ore Exporters Association Shivanand Salgaonkar, NCAER Chief Economist R. Venkateshan and others were present for the function. NCAER Chief Economist R. Venkateshan held a presentation on a study of contribution of Goan iron ore mining industry.
A program called Gram Nirman, which was a pilot project which we have initiated in 2 village panchayats, one in village panchayat Mai, and these were used to garner support of the people as well as garner their participation in the program. This kind of, you'll see from the photograph that all sections of the society are represented, from youth, from elderly to women. We have around 11 to 11.5 crores have been committed towards this program. It's an ongoing program right now in both the panchayats.
A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Government of Goa released a resurveyed plan for Tiswadi on Thursday. The survey started in 2005 and Tiswadi's 150.41 square meters of land is resurveyed at the cost of 7 crore 87 lakh and 78,000 rupees. This is the second survey post-liberation. Tiswadi plan will be open for the public from 3rd January.
Government of Goa had undertaken survey of the state in the late 60s and early 70s. After that, Goa government started resurvey in 2005. The Tiswadi plan is released and it will be open for public from next week.
We are going to start issuing these plans from 3/1/2011. An applicant, he has to apply specifying that he wants a plan under whether he wants it under the existing survey plan or he wants it under reverse, or he can ask for both the plans. And if it's this resurvey plan, initially we are saying it may take about 3 to 5 days because the department will be verifying on the field each and every plan, but later on we will make it 1-day service.
The updated plan shows added and deleted topographical features. It does not confer legality to the feature added. To confirm its legality, the concerned party will have to visit Mamlatdar and submit necessary documents. Chief Minister lauded the efforts of Revenue Department for the resurvey.
And after seeing this, we can realize that they have taken care to show that each and every structure existing on the survey number is mapped, whether it is legal or illegal. That is a separate issue. But today we can say that in Tiswadi Taluka, each and every structure as it exists on the survey number has been mapped by the survey department. I think this is a unique achievement done by the Collectorate of North Goa and the Revenue Department. I must congratulate Revenue Minister.
The plan was exhibited through PowerPoint presentation. It showed the topographical difference between 1960s to the latest plan surveyed. Tiswadi plans were distributed to the applicants at the venue. A reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Ekta Utsav 2011 will be held at Padi on 1st and 2nd January. This 2-day event has been organized by Ekta Yuva Sangh Kepe in collaboration with Directorate of Art and Culture, Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs and Information and Publicity Department.
आम्ही गांवांनी हो कार्यक्रम करता. गांवांतले जे भुरगे आसा त्यांचे आंगान जे कलेच्या क्षेत्रांत जे टॅलंट आसा ते खंय तरी भायर येवचे आनी गोंय पातळीचेर आनी ताजे फुडें वचचे ह्या खातीर आमचो हो प्रयत्न आसा.
The press briefing was held on Thursday at Madgaon. The coordinator of seminar, Soiru Virib, informed us that there is a need to set rules and regulation for the traditional folk art of the state.
पयलीं वेळार चलतालें की ते फक्त धार्मीक उत्सवा पुरते आमची कला सादर जाताली. आतां ते परफॉर्मींग आर्ट म्हळ्यार प्रोफेशनली परफॉर्म करपाक लागल्या आनी अशा वेळार खंय तरी कलाकाराचे अन्याय जावपाक जायना होच आमचो उद्देश. आनी हातूंतल्यान आमी एक ह्या चर्चेंतल्यान ठरयलां की एक म्हणल्यार स्टेट लेवलाचे एक हे जावचे रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन ट्रेडिशनल फोक आर्टाचे, तशेंच प्रत्येक तालुक्यान एक रेकग्नायज अशे जजीस आसचे.
The list of programs during Ekta Utsav 2011 include marathon race, seminar on traditional folk art, fancy dress, solo dance, group dance, Konkani drama, dhalo, Gumat Aarti, Gof, Dhangar Nritya, Samay Nritya. CM Digambar Kamath will inaugurate the function along with KP MLA Babu Kawekar and others. Prudent Media is media partner for the event. Our reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.